In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve QuickBooks login issues. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen or seeing unexpected errors, follow along and we'll work through the most reliable fixes, starting with the quickest one so you can get back to your books fast. Begin by opening a fresh incognito or private browsing window. This mode runs your browser without reusing stored cookies and without most extensions, which makes it perfect for troubleshooting. You'll find this option in your browser's main menu, usually labeled New Incognito Window or New Private Window. In that private window, go to the QuickBooks sign-in page and try to log in. If you can sign in here, that's a strong clue that your regular browser session has cached data or an extension conflict getting in the way. Next, clear your browser's cache and cite data. Open your browser's history or privacy settings and look for clear browsing data. Select cached images and files, and if you're comfortable with it, include cookies and other site data, understanding that this will sign you out of most websites. Choosing a longer time range like the last 7 days or all time removes older conflicting files that can block logins. When that's done, fully close and reopen your browser to apply the change, then head back to QuickBooks and try signing in again. If you prefer a lighter touch, you can clear data just for the QuickBooks site from your site settings, but a full cache clear is often more effective. After that, make sure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can cause security or compatibility errors that stop the login from completing. Open your browser's menu, choose the About or Help section, and run a check for updates. Install any available updates and relaunch the browser. Updated browsers include the latest security fixes and modern authentication support, which QuickBooks relies on for a smooth sign-in experience. Finally, check your internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can cause timeouts during the login process. Try loading a couple of other secure websites to confirm things are working as expected. If pages feel sluggish, move closer to your router, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible, or temporarily disconnect from any VPN that might be filtering traffic. Give QuickBooks another try once your connection is stable. To recap, testing in a private window isolates the problem. Clearing cache removes corrupted data. Updating the browser restores compatibility, and confirming your connection ensures the login can complete. With these steps, most QuickBooks login issues are resolved quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get signed in without the stress.